raindrops kiss the earth, a tender embrace. Softly they fall like a lover's trace. Each drop a whisper, a secret untold, washing away sorrow, both young and old. Rainfall over my eyes, cleansing the skies, a symphony of tears where my heart lies. In every droplet, a story unfolds, a canvas of dreams in the gray and the cold. Under the canopy, I stand alone, listening to the rhythm, nature's own tone. The world seems to pause in this tranquil dance, lost in the moment, caught in a trance. Let the rain fall, let it renew every shade of gray, every hue. In the silence, in the song, I find my peace where I belong. Rainfall over my eyes, cleansing the skies, a symphony of tears where my heart lies. In every droplet, a story unfolds, a canvas of dreams in the gray and the cold. And as the storm fades, leaving a serene calm, I cherish the rain like a soothing balm. For in the rainfall, I found my release, a gentle reminder of nature's peace. And as the storm fades, leaving a serene calm, I cherish the rain like a soothing balm. For in a rainfall, I found my release, a gentle reminder of nature's peace.